Hello everyone, welcome to Malley Industries. My name is Will Doyle, Director of Sales here at Malley, and this is
David Pargeter, Account Manager.
Let's go on a tour of our very busy facility at the moment. So here's where every ambulance and mobility vehicle begins. It's our testing facility and apparatus. Engineers design the product. We, of course, have to pull it for compliance testing to meet specifications depending on what country, province, state we got to adhere to. So whether it's a new cot mount, seating location, what we have here currently is a configuration for a new 6-point harness that had to be tested to meet requirements where we're selling our vehicles into.
Our metal fabrication area is where every vehicle build begins, whether we're building framing for ambulances to support the cabinetry, all the way up to a full-blown prisoner transport.
Come on into our plastics division. Here we manufacture an array of products. This division was developed for the interiors of our ambulances, and this is spawned into the interiors for our mobility vehicles and also a commercial van interior line. As you see the product we're pulling off the mold here. Essentially it's your easy bake oven with a heating element. A jumbo sheet of ABS plastic goes underneath, gets heated up to a certain temperature, and then it's vacuum formed on this table as you see here.
We have a team of full-time designers at Malley Industries. Everything we mold here is designed here.
So here's the assembly phase of the build. Here's where all the components come together. So obviously the walls are pretty much all in place right now. And there's different variations, as you will see through our production process, different configurations of bins, depending on the needs of the client and the service who are buying the ambulances from us.
So this is our crossover line of ambulances built on the Ram ProMaster. As you can see from the height, it gives more interior height for what is essentially a mid-roof vehicle than any other vehicle on the Type 2 market.
So here's another piece of our business as well. It's a patient transfer unit. It's a non-emergency ambulance, if you want to call it. It's really a non-ambulance, but it's used to transport patients to and from doctor's appointments, hospitals, between hospitals. And again, they can still get the care they need without being a 911 ambulance unit.
What's critically important when you're providing patient care is to get a trained person with the right kit in front of a patient. And that's what these 4x4 vehicles are designed to provide.
Last but not least is our mobility division. This is where Malley really makes a difference. We do several different types of chassis, whether it's minivan or full-size van. For example, we have a Ford Transit Connect chassis here. This is how we receive the chassis from Ford itself. And what we do is we physically cut out the floor and lower the floor, reroute the fuel system, and make it wheelchair accessible.